Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sort out this big gap in the table. I made the top probably a couple of years ago now, and it's got a big gap in it just because of it being out in the hot and cold and the rain. It's just got a big gap in it because the wood's moved. So let's sort it out today and close up the gap. I could just fill it, but it might look a bit daft having that big gap in the end here. So I'll see if I can get a file in this gap to get all the dried glue out, and then I'll clamp it up to see if I can pull it together, and then I'll glue it all. That's a bit clearer now, just this bit to do. Clearer now. Let's close it up. I've tipped the table onto its side just to glue it up. Okay, I'm going to use exterior wood glue. Okay, I've cut it open and I'm just going to put it on with a brush. This really helps to get it into all the gaps. I've strapped it all up to close the gap even further. Okay, now I'm going to glue it from the underneath. As you can see, there's a little bit of a gap here, so let's fill it with glue. That's enough glue, that should hold it. Okay, I'm just going to screw this bracket into the corner. I've got some 1.5 inch screws. I've offset it slightly, left the gap here so that it pulls in and pulls that and closes up that gap. Okay, that's that in place there. There's still a bit of a massive gap here, so what I'm going to do is to fill it. I'm going to make some filler using some sawdust and fill the gap. So I'm going to use some exterior wood glue that I used already, and then I'm going to use some sawdust and mix it together. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle the sawdust into here. And then mix it up. Okay, now I'm just going to fill the gap. Okay, that's all dry now. What I'm going to do is to sand the top down lightly, just so there's not that big gap, because I think some of the glue has gone over this side a little bit. And then I'm going to seal it. I'm going to use some Yonkers rustic oil just to seal this. I I'm going to do a couple of coats. I'm going to put a first coat on and then let it dry for about half an hour and then put another coat on. Great, that's all done. It's a little bit lighter over here, but that should blend in after a while. And it's looking pretty good. And now it's just time to tackle the legs, but I'll do that in my next video. That should last a few more years now outside in the rain. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe.